Teriyaki Chicken Tamago Sando is one of today's most beloved Japanese convenience store staples. Sweet and savory teriyaki chicken, creamy egg salad, all nestled between slices of shokupan, the fluffy Japanese milk bread. We'll show you how to make this at home. First, we make the teriyaki chicken. Sprinkle salt over chicken thighs and let them rest for 10 minutes. Pat off any excess moisture. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of water with potato starch to make a slurry. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat and add the chicken. Cook until brown, then turn over and continue cooking until the chicken is cooked through. Add the sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and water and simmer for about a minute. Then stir in the slurry and cook stirring until the sauce thickens and coats the chicken. Remove from the heat and let cool. Moving on to the egg salad. Boil the eggs for 10 to 12 minutes to get perfectly hard-boiled eggs. Chop them with a knife. Transfer them to a small bowl. And season with salt and pepper and mayonnaise. We prefer using Japanese mayo such as Kewpie's for tangy flavor. You can make this ahead of time and refrigerate until ready to use. We are going to assemble. On a slice of shokupan or any soft sliced bread, place the egg salad. On another slice, place lettuce and teriyaki chicken. And make a sandwich. Press them together. And wrap the sandwich tightly in a plastic wrap. And let it rest for 15 minutes. Remove the wrapper and cut off the crusts if you like, or keep them. Then cut into thirds. Or you can cut diagonally into triangles, just like Japanese convenience stores. Teriyaki chicken and tamago sando is one of the best-selling sandwiches in Japan's iconic convenience stores. Try it once and you'll understand the hype completely.
美味しい。美味しいね。